Okay, it's a brand new year and it's time to get super serious about the sounds my ultimate PC build is making. As you know by now, the sound or the amount of noise that a fan makes can severely impact your life as an audio producer or a music producer. It's all very well having the best gear, the best setup, but if you've got fans whizzing away while you're trying to render stuff, it's not too good. So here we go. Here they are, Silent Wings 3, the very best that money can buy. I'm going to put them to the test. A couple of different models, actually. We've got the Silent Wings PWM, which I understand stands for Pulse Width Modulation, which basically means your system can send commands to say, speed up how fast these fans go round or slow them down. These can actually go up to 2,200 rotations per minute, so pretty fast, still staying pretty quiet according to the specs. In fact, the noise level here is 28.6 dB. Even quieter though, if you want to go super silent, are these, the wonderful Be Quiet Silent Wings 3, and these go up to 1,450 rotations per minute, and they come in even quieter at a noise level of around 16.4 dB, which is fantastic. So what I'm going to do, I've got some screwdrivers, I've got my ultimate audio PC build behind me. I'm now going to install these fans and see just how they sound, or hopefully how they don't sound. So as you'd expect, when you open up the box, inside you get a beautiful fan included and a lovely accessories box as well. So the fan has 7 blades with optimized surface structure to ensure virtually inaudible operation and excellent airflow as well. Of course, airflow is important. The company isn't called Be Quiet for no reason at all, by the way. And then in the accessories box, you'll find the usual nuts, bolts, screws, all those kind of things you'd use to get the fan attached to your computer, but also removable anti-vibration mountings that you can put on all edges of the fan to reduce the transmission of vibrations to your PC case, therefore keeping things as quiet as possible. So you can choose whether to use the hard plastic fittings, which will use traditional screws, or go for the anti-vibration fittings. I'm going to use these that severely reduce any vibration noise through your PC. Most high-quality fans, and Be Quiet no exception here, will give you arrows to show you the airflow. So generally you're pushing air into the front of your computer and blowing it out the back. So once I've got them all into the computer and switched it on, virtually inaudible sound. In fact, the only sound I can hear is coming from the stock AMD CPU cooler. So this really is a very cool solution if you're in the audio or music industry. Be Quiet, Silent Wings 3 range, get a big thumbs up from me.